Does cold and flu season make you nervous? I'm Dr. Emily with ResilienceRx, and today I've got a quick tip for you how to end peeing with sneezing. Sometimes peeing with sneezing happens because of a coordination or a timing issue. Your pelvic floor muscles are not holding those sphincters shut tight enough when you have that big increase in an intra-abdominal pressure from a sneeze. So there's actually a technique called the neck that works really well in this situation. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, do a Kegel just prior to your sneeze. This reminds your pelvic floor muscles on what to do. For more tips on how to end peeing with sneezing, check out our latest blog post.